There's no point in exporting if you don't get paid for your products. And to get paid, you need to choose the right payment method in order to minimize risk while also accommodating the needs of your buyer. I'm Kari Crane, editor of Shipping Solutions International Trade Blog Passages. In this video, I'll explain how to use documentary collections. But first, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our Basics of Exporting videos, sharing practical advice for exporters and importers. There are 5 primary methods of payment in international trade. Some are more secure for the exporter, others for the importer. The key is to find the right balance. Today, let's consider documentary collections. A documentary collection, or DC, is a transaction where the exporter entrusts the collection of payment to the exporter's bank, the remitting bank, which sends documents to the importer's bank, the collecting bank, along with instructions for payment. Funds are received from the importer and remitted to the exporter through the banks in exchange for those documents. DCs involve using a bill of exchange, commonly known as a draft, that requires the importer to pay the face amount either at sight or on a specified future date. The collection cover letter gives instructions that specify the documents required for the delivery of goods to the importer. Although banks do act as agents for their clients under collections, DCs offer no verification process and limited recourse in the event of non-payment. DCs are less complicated and less expensive than letters of credit. Under a DC, the importer is not obligated to pay for goods before they are shipped. If structured properly, the exporter retains control over the goods until the importer pays the draft amount at sight or accepts the draft and incurs a legal obligation to pay at a specified later date. Although the banks control the flow of documents in DCs, they neither verify the documents nor take any risks. With DCs, the exporter has little recourse if the importer does not pay. So DCs should only be used under the following conditions. The exporter and importer have a well-established relationship. The exporter is confident that the importing country is politically and economically stable. An open account sale is considered too risky, and an LC is unacceptable to the importer. There are typically 7 steps that occur in order to get paid using documentary collections. 1. The exporter ships the goods to the importer and receives the documents in exchange. 2. The exporter presents the documents with instructions for obtaining payment to the bank. 3. The exporter's remitting bank sends the documents to the importer's collecting bank. 4. The collecting bank releases the documents to the importer on receipt of payment of acceptance of the draft. 5. The importer uses the documents to obtain the goods and to clear them at customs. 6. Once the collecting bank receives payment, it forwards the proceeds to the remitting bank. 7. The remitting bank credits the exporter's account. To learn more about using documentary collection, or to find another payment method that better fits your needs, download our free trade finance guide at the link below. And if you liked this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more videos sharing real practical advice for exporters. You'll also find hundreds of articles about every aspect of exporting at shippingsolutions.com/blog. Look for a link below.